What are you doing?
I'm just making something.
Saying something what?
Dragon.
Dragon?
Yeah.
Oh, asan?
And you wanna see my collections?
Sige daw. Wow, ang daming dragon. Sige daw, paano man maging dragon yan?
First of all,
Show, guys.
get any of your favorite dragon. First, get this.
Collection of dragons,
And then
guys.
put it this where this finger.
Paper mache ba ang tawag dyan?
Yes, the instruction paper.
Mm.
First of all, get your hand like this. And then put it like this.
Ooh.
And then find the head. And then do it like this.
Ah, hiwalay talaga?
Yes, and then like this.
Oh, dragon puppet made from paper mache. Sige na, paano mo guys, pagpausap mo kay guys?
Hello!
Ganyan pala yun.
They have their own name. Pangalan niya ay si Joy Green.
Joy Green.
Next naman.
Sino naman? Your dragon collection pala to. Made from paper mache.
Next naman si...
Yan, bakit dikit na talaga siya?
Opo. Next naman ito naman si... yan naman si Mr. Fire.
Mr. Fire.
Tapos ito naman wait lang.
Paper mache talaga yun, anak? Ay, hindi. An origami. Origami.
Instruction paper.
Hindi, ang tawag sa...
And then this one is King Joy Green.
King Gray.
And then the last one.
Ay, bago yan?
Yes. And then this one is Happy Joy.
Ah, ang cute.
And then that's all. So
That's
I'll
all.
teach you how to make a dragon.
Ah, so gagawa ka ng dragon. Tuturuan mo si guys.
Yes.
Sige daw.
First of all, get all these things. Those are my old paper. I just made it from last night. First of all, you need this paper. Do the paper like this. And then if it's like this, do it like this. And then pull it out and then do it like this again. Like this.
Ayusin mo. Tanggalin mo bibito yung mga kalat, please. Para makakuha ka na, guys.
And then cut it. You have to follow the lines. That's what you did.
The lines will serve as the guide for cutting, okay?
Yes. You will need the mouth of that so the mouth is too longer.
Okay. Si Papa tulog. Pagod.
And then cut the next one. And then if it's do like that, you're almost to finish it to what you're making. Uy, sorry.
Dapat next time, sabihin mo, all you need to have is
And then
so, ayan.
and then this one like this. You only have a need scissor to do that.
Scissor, the construction
And then
paper.
next one, get this. Do it like this. Like this, like that. What you see, do the paper and do it like this again. And then do like this, like a roll again.
Another fold.
Yes, and next one, do it like the same thing.
Fold again. First
Yes.
fold.
And then the second fold.
Second fold. Okay.
And then next one you're gonna do is get the and then wait. You need this. You need to make it as a triangle, so much big like this.
That triangle is for what?
For the mouth.
For mouth.
You have to make it so
How can you be sure that size will fit to that ano?
I'm not sure.
O chamba?
Yes.
Chamba?
Rambang.
Tambang lang. Chamba. Dapat you have to measure. Some other time you will
And
make.
then do it like this.
Okay.
And then do it like this, like the fold a little bit. And do it like this. And do it like this. And then another one fold it. You need to do it like this. And then do it like this. Right here. Look what I'm doing, guys. Like this. And then open like this.
Okay.
And then if it's do like
It's just an estimated size, anak, ano?
yes. And then next one, you need like this from like this. Look, like
You need
this.
another.
Yes, like this.
You need another construction paper.
I have no more. It's lost.
Ano, I have no more. Ayun, what is that for?
Inubos ko na.
Ayan,
You need this like this, so it will be.
That will serve as the ano.
And then first,
The
you need
holder
to,
of the hat.
if you have to do like this, and then cut it. Ouch. Wait, I'm gonna test it. Not. You need to make it longer so it will fit on it like this.
Oo, tama. Dapat mas mahaba, no?
Para ma-fit.
Para mag-fit siya. Ma-meet niya yung both ends, ano?
Yes. Let's test it first again.
Diba? What you will be using is scotch tape or what?
I'm not sure.
Or a jet, a glue.
You need to use a glue.
For sure glue.
This stuff.
Mamaya bili ka ng glue, ha? Naubusan ka na eh.
You need, Lord.
How long do we need to take?
10 minutes.
Kasi maubos na yung memory ko. You have to move. You have to move fast and vlog fast. Bilis.
Yes, wait.
Bilisan mo.
Okay. And then put some glue.
Na lang.
Hindi, wait lang. Kaya ko, kasi may malakas, ano?
Meron na, nalagyan na ng glue.
Kasi ganyan mo.
Kailangan ng energy. Kaya nga talaga kumakain ng gulay ang bata, ha?
Para malakas sila.
Para malakas, may energy. Kasi pag hindi kayo kumakain ng gulay, walang energy, di ba?
Next one.
So, it's very important to eat healthy food from time to time. Like eating vegetable, eating fruits, di ba?
Like and subscribe before the bacon runs away.
Like and subscribe, please.
Okay. So if you're doing like this, you need to do it like this. As you can see, there's a glue over here, and get that I need, and then put it like this, and then do it like this, like this,
Katuyin mo.
like this.
Allow that to get dry.
The mouth is the next one. The head. This is the mouth. This is the head.
Where's the head? Are you done with the head?
Not yet. We need to find a coolest.
A bigger triangle, not a giant. Okay.
I'm so dumb. You need to do it like this so it's really long. It's look like a leaf, right? You need to do it like this, like the mouth look like this. Like this. Slay if you wanna slay.
At background mo si tatay natutulog.
Ano?
Ang background mo, tatay mo natutulog.
Para i-coverhan yung mga sofa. Kalap ng sofa. And then, if it's like this, take it out. Like this. Like this. And then, if it's like this now, you need to put a glue in it. Wait, let me use my institution. Help you.
Hindi pwede kasi tinututukan ko ang ginagawa mo.
And then,
Diba?
like this, put the last the glue in it.
Tinutukan ni mama ang ginagawa mo. Hindi mo pwede ang top ka.
And then,
Lalaki yun eh.
yes, wait. Where's it? So, you need to cut it again, this one, as the same orange.
So what's that orange for?
We're gonna make orange from
This one. The two folded ano.
We're gonna glue it later.
Okay.
And then, do it like this. And then, if it's like this, go glue it like this. Like the same of this. And next, you have to wait it to you. But,
To make it dry.
sad. Wait, I'm gonna test it first.
So, kumusta na siya? Okay na?
Di malaki. There's more fast. You need, now if it's like this now, you have to glue it. Wait, I'm gonna put the horns.
Okay na?
Not yet. Let's test it first.
Ganyan siya. Ganyan na siya kasimple. Ganyan pala siya, guys. Yan yung basic.
Yes.
Yan yung basic. Tapos, ayun o, tingnan magaganda guys o. Yan na guys ang mga collection niya.
The next one, we need to make the eyes now. First, get this now.
Okay.
And then,
Ate, please don't move the cover of the table kasi masisira eh.
you need this. You need white, this one. You need to make it as an eyeball. No? Wait, I'm gonna make it as an
You need to draw an eyeball.
Yes. Like this, you have to make it like this, so
Okay.
it won't be this, so it won't be broken.
Ah, yan na yung sa face niya. Sa face niya, baby ko.
And then make another one like what did I did. And then do it like this. So make it as the same eyeball. First eyeball.
Okay.
Do it like this.
Ay, tipilip yung eyeball. Tipilip
And
yung
then
blue.
do it like this. Pero ba yun?
Bigyan na lang mamaya yung blue. Pero putagluto daw ano ha? To the cover of the table.
Do it like this. You need to put this on the eyes over here.
At the.
At the face. And then it's like this. Next one, the other one.
Ganda.
And then boom.
Boom, are you done? Pakita mo kay guys.
Wait! Oh my god, he's crying.
I cry siya, why?
Kasi that's a glue.
Okay, then.
Wait, we need, and then get a marker again, and then put it on the edge. And then like this. Like this. He's worried.
Tingnan, you guys. Okay, so let me see the face.
A bandage. It's still not. There's too many. There's
You
a
need-
frog. And then do it like this. So it's okay. I mean, no. You have to make it it's longer, so it will be like a frog bandage.
Tapos na ba?
Not yet.
Sobrang init na ng cellphone.
Dito. You have to make it like this. But that's okay if you're not good at making. Just follow my steps. Do it like this. And then open it. Oh. Push it tight. Push it clean. Push it fresh. Push it tight. Push it clean. Push it fresh. And then it's like this. Put it on the nose like this.
Bilisan na. Ano yun? Ba't may blue?
Umiyak.
Mas pinayak.
Hindi naman strike. Parang umiiyak eh.
Okay na? Tapos na?
Hindi pa. Meron pa. So guys, I'm almost done making the cutest, that dragon that it
Asa na? Pakita na kay guys.
still not. It will be it's a cool, it will show you later after the ending.
Si mama.
Does it has
Teeth. Nilalagay niya daw guys. Nilalagay niya guys ng teeth.
Para sure.
Sharp teeth. Ano?
Later, I will show you guys something very cool.
Okay na.
Hindi pa, lapit na. Next naman yung the last one. We need to make, this will be a while, guys. I'm not sure. I'm built-in. Oh, headphone.
So, Ate Shasha, kumusta na yung gawa mo?
It's good.
It's good. Are you done?
Yes.
Can I see it?
Dun, 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 dun.
Lagay mo dito. Ayan, guys. Dapat malinis. Let guys see your dragon. Dito, ganyan. Ayusin mama. Yan, dragon, guys. Oh. Dragon head. Ano? Oh, galing ni Ate Shasha. Congratulations.
Now it's put in the dragon
Ayan.
stuff.
Marami na naman siyang dragon.
Part 2
Next time, part 2. Ibibenta na next time ni Ate Shasha. So,
No,
guys,
it's on your mind.
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this. Bye-bye. Subscribe button and subscribe na. But, Wait.